Welcome to Safety Products. At Safety Products, we're committed to delivering simple, effective installation solutions. And the STP E60 compensation spring mounting plate is no exception. Installing the STP E60 is simple. Position the spring at 90 degrees to the spring holder plate. Carefully slide it down the keyway by gently wiggling into place. The keyway is precision engineered to accept or release the spring only when it is exactly 90 degrees to the flat face of the spring plate. This design ensures that once installed and operational, the STP E60 compensation spring cannot be removed under normal conditions, delivering a secure and tamper-resistant solution for your applications.